Hello guys, I'm back with a new video. I just hope you get to learn something from my previous video. So today we are going to learn the botanical names of crop and their origin. So we'll start with the cereal crops. In cereal crops, first we have rice. The botanical name of rice is Oryza sativa and its origin is Southeast Asia. Okay, then we have wheat. The botanical name of wheat is Triticum aestivum and its origin is Southwest Asia. Okay, so you can remember the origin of wheat from W, which stands for West and wheat. Okay, the next is maize. Its botanical name is Zea maize and its origin is Mexico. Then we have jowar, which is also called as sorghum. Its botanical name is Sorghum bicolor and its origin is Africa. Then we have bajra. The botanical name of bajra is Penicetum typhoides and its origin is also Africa. Okay, so next we have pulses crop. So in pulses crop, first we have arhar. Its botanical name is Cajanus cajan and its origin is Africa. Okay, then after arhar we have gram. Its botanical name is Caesar arientinum and its origin is Southwest Asia. Next crop is pea. The botanical name of pea is Pisum sativum and its origin is Mediterranean region. Okay, then we have moong, which is also called as black gram. Its botanical name is Vigna radiata and its origin is India. Okay, after moong we have black gram, which is called urad and its botanical name is Vigna mungo and its origin is also India. Okay, the next pulse crop is cowpea. The botanical name of cowpea is Vigna sinensis and its origin is Central Africa. After cowpea we have soybean. The botanical name of soybean is Glycine max and it is originated from China. Then we have lentil. The botanical name of lentil is Lenis esculenta. Its origin is Egypt. Okay, then we have oilseed crops. So in oilseed crop we have groundnut. The botanical name of groundnut is Archis hypogaea and its origin is Brazil. Then we have sesame, which is also called as till, and its botanical name is Sesamum indicum. The origin of sesamum is Southwest Africa. Okay, the next crop is mustard and the botanical name of mustard is Brassica species and its origin is India and China. Then we have sunflower. The botanical name of sunflower is Helianthus anus and it is originated from Mexico. Then we have castor. The botanical name of castor is Ricinus cuminis and it is originated from Ethiopia. Okay, then next we will move to the sugar crops. Okay, so in sugar crop first we have sugarcane. The botanical name of sugarcane is Saccharum officinarum and it is originated from India. The next we have sugar beet. The botanical name of sugar beet is Beta vulgaris and it is originated from Mediterranean region. Okay, so these are the sugar crop. Then we will move to the fiber crops. Okay, so in fiber crop, first crop is cotton. The botanical name of cotton is Gossypium species. I have written species because there are lots of species of Gossypium like Gossypium hirsutum, Gossypium arboreum, Gossypium barbendis. Okay, and the origin of cotton is India. Then we have jute. The botanical name of jute is Corchorus capsularis and it is originated from Indo-Burma region. So we are at the end of our video. We have completed the agronomical crops and in the next class we will learn the botanical names of horticultural crops and their origin. So up to then, learn better, and if you like the video, please like the like button, and if you have some suggestion then let me know in the comment section below. Up to then, bye bye, take care.